Welcome to the Legals Educare Law classes. In today's class, I am going to discuss the role and importance of CrPC in the criminal justice system. Let's start today's class. The first question that comes to my mind is, what is the role of CrPC in the criminal justice system? What is the importance of it? Why do we need CrPC in the first place? To answer that question, CrPC is one of the most important branch of criminal justice system because it protects our civil liberties, it protects our fundamental rights, and at the same time, it provides protection to the society against criminals by helping the justice system to find out the real culprits and punish them. We have several substantive criminal laws like IPC, or we have other substantive laws like NDPS Act, FEMA, POCSO, Arms Act, etc. But these substantive laws are not self-operative. It means a person cannot be punished automatically. There has to be some procedure by which he can be punished. And we also have Article 21 in our Constitution that says that no person shall be deprived of his life and personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. It means if the state intends to detain someone or deprive someone from his personal liberty, then the state has to follow the procedure that is established by law. It means if there is no law in place, the state cannot deprive anyone of his life and personal liberty. And CrPC is that procedure established by law. Therefore, a police officer cannot arrest someone without following the procedure that is provided in the CrPC. He has to follow, while making the arrest, he has to follow the procedure, the detailed procedure that is provided in the CrPC. So crime is considered to be a wrong against the society. Therefore, societal interest is involved. And CrPC is about rendering the justice to the society. On the other hand, an individual's right, the accused right, is also involved. He has fundamental right to life and personal liberty under Article 21, and therefore certain safeguards are involved in restricting his fundamental right, and he is presumed to be innocent till proven guilty. Therefore, CrPC is about infringing or encroaching upon his right of life and personal liberty by following the procedure established by law. So CrPC draws a balance between an individual's fundamental right and the societal interest in punishing the real accused. In 1978, the Supreme Court held in case of Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India that any deprivation of life and personal liberty shall be done according to the procedure established by law. But that procedure should not be a mere procedure. The procedure should be a reasonable procedure. It should be just procedure. It should be fair. It should be non-arbitrary procedure. It cannot be unreasonable procedure. Therefore, there are several safeguards to secure the ends of justice for the accused, and at the same time, it has to be ensured that the real culprit is actually convicted and punished. To summarize the role of CrPC, number one, it provides the machinery for the detection of crime. It provides procedure for the apprehension of suspected criminals. It provides procedure for collection of evidences. It provides procedure for the determination of guilt or innocence of an accused. It provides procedure for imposition of suitable punishment. And CrPC controls and regulates the working of the machinery set up for the investigation, that is the police force, and the trial of offences, that is the courts. So it provides adequate powers to the police to make the investigation, and it provides adequate powers to the courts to make the adjudication process strong, effective and efficient. And at the same time, it also provides safeguards against the abuse of powers that is exercised by the police while making the investigation, and exercised by the courts while conducting the trial. So therefore, CrPC is about initiation of criminal proceedings against the accused and finally convicting or acquitting him. The next topic we are going to discuss is the rule of interpretation. So if there is any ambiguity about the interpretation of a particular provision in the CrPC, then the rule of purposive interpretation shall be followed It means if there are two or more interpretations of a particular provision are possible, then that interpretation shall be adopted which serves the purpose of CrPC better. And the purpose of CrPC is to secure the interest of justice in favor of the society and the accused. Thus, the courts should draw a balance between the two, between the society and the accused, and should serve the ends of justice. So as we wrap up, remember CrPC has dual role as a tool for justice and a shield for individuals' freedom. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning.